Zamia furfuracea is a cycad native to southeastern Veracruz state in eastern Mexico. Although not a palm tree, Arecaceae, its growth habit is superficially similar to a palm. Therefore it is commonly known as cardboard palm or cardboard cycad. Other names include cardboard plant, cardboard sago, Jamaican sago and Mexican cycad. From Mexican Spanish Cícada Mexicana. The plant's binomial name comes from the Latin Zamia, for pine nut, and furfuracea, meaning mealy or scurfy. Description and ecology. The plant has a short, sometimes subterranean trunk up to 20 centimeters broad and high, usually marked with scars from old leaf bases. It grows very slowly when young, but its growth accelerates after the trunk matures, including the leaves. The whole plant typically grows to 1.3 meters tall with a width of about 2 meters. The leaves radiate from the center of the trunk. Each leaf is 50 to 150 centimeters long with a petiole 15 to 30 centimeters long, and 6 to 12 pairs of extremely stiff, pubescent, fuzzy, green leaflets. These leaflets grow 8 to 20 centimeters long and 3 to 5 centimeters wide. Occasionally, the leaflets are toothed toward the tips. The circular crowns of leaves resemble fern or palm fronds. They are erect in full sun, horizontal in shade. This plant produces a rusty brown cone in the center of the female plant. The egg-shaped female, seed-producing, cones and smaller male, pollen-producing, cone clusters are produced on separate plants. Pollination is by certain insects, namely the bellied weevil Rhopalotria mollis. Cardboard cycad plant can only be reproduced by the fleshy, brightly crimson-colored seeds produced by the female plants. The germination process is very slow and difficult to achieve in cultivation. As a result, many plants sold for horticultural use are illegally collected in the wild, leading to the species being classified as vulnerable. This plant is easy to care for and grows best in moist, well-drained soil. They do well in full sun or shade, but not in constant deep shade. They are fairly salt and drought tolerant, but should be protected from extreme cold. They should occasionally be fed with palm food. After Cycas revoluta, this is probably the most popular cycad species in cultivation. In temperate regions it is commonly grown as a houseplant and, in subtropical areas, as a container or bedding plant outdoors. All parts of the plant are poisonous to animals and humans. The toxicity causes liver and kidney failure, as well as eventual paralysis. Dehydration sets in very quickly. No treatment for the poisoning is currently known. Donaldson, 2003. Zamia furfuracea. IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Version 2006. International Union for Conservation of Nature. Retrieved the 11th of May 2006. Listed as vulnerable. VU A2A CDV 3.1. The cycad pages. Bymans Cordiforms. Floridata. Univ of Florida. PACSOA.